One of the questions I get very often is about reconstituting your peptide. And luckily, most of the time we can get round numbers, 5 milligram, 10 milligram, 15 milligram, 20 milligram, etc. But sometimes people will get an off number, and then because we get used to also using round numbers to reconstitute with your bacteriostatic water, whether that's 1 milliliter, 2 milliliters, 3 milliliters, people will get thrown off, right? So you have a 10 milligram vial plus 2 milliliters of bacteriostatic water every 10 units, or 0.1 ml is equal to 1/2 milligram, 0.5 mg, or 500 microgram. That's the same measurement, okay? These are both, all four of those are the same measurements. 10 units, 0.1 ml, 5 milligram, 500 microgram. And so if you've been used to this math with a 10 milligram vial and 2 milliliters of water, right? And then all of a sudden, you found a really good price on something online and you didn't buy it from me, and it was a 12 milligram vial, but then you still DM me, which you didn't buy the vial from, and say, Phil, I don't know how much water to put in this. It's all good. This not knowing what to do, not knowing what your dose is going to be, let me show you how this works. So instead of using a round number, 2 milliliters, 3 milliliters, also as a side note, most of the peptide vials are only going to take 3 milliliters anyway. So if you're looking to use a lower dose, but you're going to buy 20, 30, 40 milligram vials of a peptide, remember that, keep that in mind. You'll only be able to put up to 3 milliliters of water in there. And so then you're gonna have really big doses on really small measurements, makes it hard to dose out. Anyway, back to the regular scheduled program. So if you've got used to doing this, don't fret. You can use a not round number of water. So if I had a 12 milligram vial, but I wanted to come up with every 10 units or 0.1 ml gives me a 0.5 milligram because I've been used to taking that dose or using this measurement for a dose. This is how we do that. We take our 12 milligram vial. We put 2.4 ml of bacteriostatic water in there. 2.4 ml. So what's that gonna do? That's gonna do exactly what we have over here. So the 10 units is going to give us 0.5 milligrams. Again, that 10 units is 0.1 ml, or 500 micrograms, 5 milligrams. So putting 2.4 milliliters of bacteriostatic water in your 12 milligram vial is going to give you the same dosing outcome as this. Remember that regardless of your vial size, it's just a mathematical equation when you are reconstituting your peptides. If you have any other questions, comments, etc., leave those down in the comments. Give me a follow over on my Instagram. DM me if you need anything. Later.